Welcome to Local Secrets, where we teach you how to experience a destination like a true local. In this video, we'll share tips on connecting with locals, finding hidden gems, savoring local foods, and immersing yourself in cultural events. Ready to travel like a local? Let's dive in. The first step to experiencing a destination like a local is doing your homework. Research online through travel forums, social media groups, and apps designed for travelers. Websites like Couchsurfing and Meetup are great places to start. One of the best ways to connect with locals is through community events and meetups. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation and ask for recommendations. Engaging with locals can lead to discovering places and experiences that you won't find in guidebooks. Be open, friendly, and respectful. Hidden gems are the heart of any local experience. These are the places locals love, but tourists often miss. To find them, ask locals directly or explore beyond the main tourist areas. Use apps like Google Maps or TripAdvisor's Nearby feature to uncover off-the-beaten-path spots. And remember, sometimes the best finds come from just wandering around. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in a new culture is through its food. Skip the chain restaurants and seek out local markets, street food, and family-run eateries. Local markets are a treasure trove of fresh ingredients and unique flavors. Don't hesitate to try something new and ask vendors about their specialties. Not sure what to try? Ask for recommendations or look for busy spots. A crowd is often a good sign of great food. Cultural events offer a deep dive into the local way of life. Festivals, traditional performances, and community gatherings are fantastic opportunities to experience local traditions and meet people. Attending local festivals is a great way to see the community's spirit. Be sure to check local event calendars or ask around for upcoming events. Participating in these events not only enriches your travel experience, but also supports and respects local culture. To truly experience a destination like a local, avoid the tourist traps. These areas are often overpriced and lack authenticity. Instead, focus on local neighborhoods and small businesses. Respecting local customs is crucial. Take the time to learn about cultural norms, dress codes, and basic etiquette. It shows respect and helps you blend in more naturally. Traveling like a local opens up a world of authentic experiences and unforgettable memories. So, next time you travel, go beyond the tourist spots and dive into the local culture. Have your own local travel tips? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Local Secrets. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more travel tips. Until next time, happy travels.
Get strong.